destruction, explosions and slow motion. Bring out the popcorn and buckle up, because today we are gonna have a lot of fun. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Peter, and in today's video it's all about having fun. I have brought some items that I want to shoot and film in slow motion, so yeah, that's what it's all about. First thing is this melon. It's a honey melon. Originally I decided to go for a watermelon because I'm shooting this 177, I'm not really sure that it's going to do a lot of harm to a watermelon. So one honey melon, and then Coke can. You've seen it before, but we're going to do it in slow motion. Perhaps some fun there. And this giant bottle of sparkling water that I will shake as much as possible. We'll also give it a go. And the last thing is a can of gas. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, first up is the honey melon. But before I start shooting it, I just want to introduce you to my gun. It is of course the FX Impact M3 in 177, and I'm shooting the 16 grain sands at around 960 feet per second. The gun is equipped with the barrel tensioner, element Titan on top, and some different Saber tactical parts. And what you see here at the end here is my trusty crony. So yeah. Without further to say, let's start shooting at the watermelon. Oh. So. Okay, let's take a closer look at it. Entry wound looks pretty sharp. Let's take a look around here. That's not that's not much of a result, but yeah, let's change it out with the Coke can. Just giving the Coke can a little treat before we start shooting it. We want it to explode as much as possible. I lost it. Oh, sorry, I lost it again. I think it's getting ready. There, now it's ready to shoot. And in case you're wondering why my footage is so shaky today, it's because I'm using an older camera, because I'm using the new camera to get some higher frame rates. So yeah, let's shoot the Coke can. So, one explosion coming up. It looked good from here. Okay, let's take a look at it. You can see here that from the place where I shot it, it flew back quite a bit. Yeah, it opened pretty well. I think it did some kind of a difference that it had this little shake. A lot of fun. Let's take the bigger bottle. Okay, so now it's time for the big bottle with sparkling water. My good friend Stefan has already shaken it up pretty well, but I'm gonna give it a little. Oh, sorry. Oh, die. Oh, oh. I think it's been shaken pretty well now. I'm just gonna set it up here. Yeah, that'll do well. Okay, so let's give it a good smack. Okay, so, well, it stayed stationary, so yeah, not really that much to see. Holes are, well, yeah, it looked funny, but yeah, let's move on to the big one, the gas canister. Now it's time for the big one. I'll place it here on the door, and as you can see, there's a cardboard box here behind it that I'll light up, because I could take a candle or something, but I'm afraid that it will blow out the flame, so we won't see an explosion. So lighting up this cardboard box will hopefully give us the flames that we need. I keep saying us, and that's because my assistant is down there. Stefan is joining me today as my trusty assistant. He was meant to shoot today actually, but because he has a bad shoulder, he's just yeah, he's just the assistant today. But yeah, anyway, Stefan is here as well. So, but just to fill you in on some details, I have the camera there, and it's actually my best GoPro camera. It's a GoPro Hero 12. No, 10. The 12 just came out. It's a GoPro Hero 10. So I hope that it will survive whatever's gonna happen here. And I've taken some safety precautions. I have a fire extinguisher over there and some water. So we won't set the whole forest on fire. But Stefan is here to assist me on that matter. So yeah. Let's light up the whole thing and see how it goes.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
That was absolutely perfect. I think we're both kind of surprised to see how much really happened. So let's take a look at the GoPro here. Not melted or anything, but yeah, that was good. That was the end of the test. And before I go through all these things that I shot today, I just want to remind you that I now have a profile on Facebook called Viking Airgunner, and you're welcome to visit this page. It's a place where I'll keep you posted with all the things that I'm doing in between making videos and while I'm making videos. So be sure go and follow that. Drop me a friend request. You're more than welcome. But yeah, anyway. Let's look at what we shot today, starting with the big one here. Not much of a hole in that, but it looked kind of funny. The Coke can here, I think it looks pretty funny. I think what's really got me thinking was this, because this is the front. Maybe somebody can give me a scientific explanation on why it deforms like that. No, this I don't know, is this the front or this the front? No, I don't remember. Maybe some of you remember from watching the movie of it. But anyway, I think it deformed in a funny way. The can itself, the gas or butane, I don't know what it's called in English. It's just a clean, passed clean through. It looked much more funny when it exploded than it does right now, that's for sure. And then we have the melon. I think it looks kind of funny here, but the exit wound is well, I was actually expecting a bigger exit wound, but yeah. But let's look at how it looks inside. This is the knife for today, kindly provided by Stefan. Let's cut it open and see how it looks. Yeah, there's not really much to see. Yeah, so yeah. Anyway, that was the result of today's shooting. But like the last time when we shot the car door here at the same range, it's not about testing or anything. It's all about having fun. And if you're doing something like this, when things start to burn or anything, make sure that safety is okay. We had both, as I said earlier, we had both water and a fire extinguisher in case something went horribly wrong. But yeah, anyway, it's all about having fun, and that's what we had today. I'm glad that you made it so far, and be sure to like, subscribe, and yeah, just keep on coming back and enjoying the videos. So until next time, take care and shoot safe.